Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to join a server on Discord step by step. First, open the Discord app on your phone or computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now on the left side of your screen, you will see a plus icon. Tap it to open the server options. From the options, select Join a Server at the bottom. This will allow you to enter an invite link. If you have a server invite link, paste it here. After pasting, tap Join Server, and then you'll be able to enter the server. You can browse different channels, chat with members, and explore the community. You will also see another option called Join a Student Hub. This is a special type of server designed for students. To join, you will need to verify your student email address like a school or university email. Once verified, you will be added to your school's hub where you can connect with classmates, share resources, and join study groups. And that's it. That's how you successfully join a server on Discord. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.